Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn animals in English. Okay, let's get started today. Now we will start and we will learn the animals names and we will make sentences about animals. And by the way, don't forget like, share and subscribe our channel. Okay, let's go. Lion, lion. The lion is roaring. The lion is roaring. Tiger, tiger. A tiger has escaped from the zoo. A tiger has escaped from the zoo. Shark, shark. There is a shark in the water. There is a shark in the water. Snake, snake. She screamed when she saw a snake. She screamed when she saw a snake. Tarantula, tarantula. I am scared of tarantulas. I am scared of tarantulas. Squirrel, squirrel. The dog is running after the squirrel. The dog is running after the squirrel. Zebra, zebra. He likes zebra. He likes zebra. Bat, bat. A bat is not a bird, but a mammal. A bat is not a bird, but a mammal. Bear, bear. I didn't see any bear in Germany. I didn't see any bear in Germany. Cheetah, cheetah. The cheetah is the fastest animal. The cheetah is the fastest animal. Crocodile, crocodile. A crocodile ate a dog. A crocodile ate a dog. Gorilla, gorilla. Coco is a female gorilla. Coco is a female gorilla. Eagle, eagle. An eagle flies in the sky. An eagle flies in the sky. Elephant, elephant. An elephant is a very large animal. An elephant is a large animal. Blue whale, blue whale. A blue whale is a mammal. A blue whale is a mammal. Dolphin, dolphin. The dolphin is a very intelligent animal. The dolphin is a very intelligent animal. Deer, deer. We followed the deer's tracks. We followed the deer's tracks. Giraffe, giraffe. I never saw a giraffe. I never saw a giraffe. Hawk, hawk. The hawk caught a rat. The hawk caught a rat. Kangaroo, Kangaroo. The kangaroo jumps very high. The kangaroo jumps very high. Iguana. Iguana. There are many iguanas around the house. There are many iguanas around the house. Koala. Koala. I never even seen a koala before. I never even seen a koala before. Octopus. Octopus. I never eaten a live octopus. I never eaten a live octopus. Monkey. Monkey. He climbed up to the tree like a monkey. He climbed up to the tree like a monkey. Owl. Owl. The owl can see in the dark. The owl can see in the dark. Penguin. Penguin. This penguin is really cute. This penguin is really cute. Rhino. Rhinoceros are large animals. Rhinoceros are large animals. Panda. Panda. I never seen a panda once. I never seen a panda once. Spider. Spider. A big spider was spinning a web. A big spider was spinning a web. Fox. Fox. A fox is a wild animal. A fox is a wild animal. Wolf. Wolf. I heard a wolf crying. I heard a wolf crying. Horse. Horse. I like to ride a horse now and then. I like to ride a horse now and then. Duck. Duck. He went duck hunting. He went duck hunting. Cow. Cow. A cow is a useful animal. A cow is a useful animal. Chicken. Chicken. Is there chicken for dinner? Is there chicken for dinner? Goat. Goat. He smells like a goat. He smells like a goat. Ant. Ant. There is an ant in the hall. There is an ant in the hall. Rabbit. Rabbit. A rabbit is running in the garden. A rabbit is running in the garden. Sheep. Sheep. The boy was watching the sheep. The boy was watching the sheep. Swan. Swan. This swan is white. This one is white. Canary, canary. A canary is a small bird. A canary is a small bird. Pigeon, pigeon. Have you ever seen a pigeon? Have you ever seen a pigeon? Bird, bird. I see a bird on the roof. I see a bird on the roof. Dog, dog. I saw a white dog jump over the fence. I saw a white dog jump over the fence. Cat, cat. The mother cat protects her kittens. The mother cat protected her kittens. Fish, fish. I caught two fish. I caught two fish. Frog, frog. The boy threw a stone at the frog. The boy threw a stone at the frog. Hamster, hamster. I am pretty sure that my cat ate my hamster. I am pretty sure that my cat ate my hamster. Turkey, turkey. It's the best turkey I have ever tasted. It's the best turkey I have ever tasted. Parrot, parrot. She keeps a parrot as a pet. She keeps a parrot as a pet. Turtle, turtle. I want that turtle to take home. I want that turtle to take home. Snail, snail. Bob ate the snail, then vomited. Bob ate the snail, then vomited. Mouse, mouse. I saw a mouse. I saw a mouse. Flamingo, flamingo. Flamingos have got long legs and necks. Flamingos have got long legs and necks. Bug, bug. The bug is still alive. The bug is still alive. Camel, camel. She rode a camel. She rode a camel. Pelican, pelican. Pelicans have large beaks. Pelicans have large beaks. Hedgehog, hedgehog. I live with a hedgehog. I live with a hedgehog. Bee, bee. A bee is buzzing around. A bee is buzzing around. Donkey, donkey. A donkey is gray. A donkey is gray. Okay, everyone, this is the end of the lessons. See you soon next time.